Wanna learn how Hrithik dances?
Those moves of Katrina.
Famous moonwalk of Michael Jackson.
We will teach you not just this,
But also make you dance to your favorite songs. Learning dance from us can also get you famous on social media.
once you start uploading your dance videos on the fastest growing social media platforms. Hi, I'm Lavina.
Hi, I am Ashish.
And we have over 18 years of experience in dance.
Being former instructors at Shamak Dawas Institute for the Performing Arts and having more than 10 years of experience in teaching, we have taught more than 10,000 students across the globe of all age groups.
We have been a part of the prestigious award functions like IFA, Flipware, Zee Cine Awards, amongst others, and danced along celebrities like.
Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra and many others.
And now we are here teaching dance online. That means you can learn dance from the comfort of your home.
Feeling like very confident and motivated to learn.
Focusing on each and every student. That is the best thing I like about you.
You actually go into techniques of the things. I feel very happy dancing here. I feel very good.
That's a very good Ashish. I think she's enjoying it.
This is giving good exercise for her and we are really happy.
So far he's doing really great and thank you very much for your patience.
I love your class. I'm a non-dancer, but I love your class. Really, you have made me fall in love with dance.
Classes are running for all age groups.
Whether you are new to dance or you have been dancing for years, our classes are for you.
Fun workouts,
Happening songs,
new dance choreographies.
and to top it all, power-packed dance experience.
So hit the link below and join the best online dance classes today.
Stay safe, keep dancing, and we are super thrilled to see you online.